Hey, what's going on guys, POG here and welcome to today's video. In this video we're going to go ahead and unbox the MacBook Pro. This one here is a refurbished 2016 13-inch with a touch bar, and you can pretty much save a lot of money when you do purchase the refurbished directly from Apple. I've been told that it pretty much has just like a new packaging except a different box, and you can't tell a difference between a refurbished and a brand new product. So here's the box, guys. So over here it says the MacBook Pro, and then down here it says that it's Apple certified refurbished. As you guys can see right there, it says Apple certified refurbished. Over to the right side of the box we have the Apple logo, nothing on the top or bottom. There's another Apple logo, and this one is the space gray model. As well, on the back gives you like information about the computer. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so the box actually feels exactly what a new one would feel, except this one just doesn't have the actual MacBook printed on the front. So lift it up. Alright, here's the cardboard. Okay. Again, very like brand new packaged. Let's put this aside. So in here we have the USB-C power cable, which also looks brand new. And then under there we have the power brick, which is also I can't tell the difference. I mean, not even a single scratch on it. Nope, just my fingerprints. All right, so let's put this aside, and inside here we have, do we get Apple stickers? Let's see. I mean, you always get with newer ones. Oh wow, you still get Apple stickers, so 2 of them. As well, we have the MacBook Pro info, the MacBook Pro quick start guide, so the touch bar telling you what's what. All right, let's put these away. Another thing you guys get if you buy the touch bar version of the MacBook Pro is that you get, of course, the Touch ID. As well, you also get the 2 extra USB-C ports compared to the other one. So let's put these away. So here is the space gray version. So here's what I meant. So 2 on the side. But let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. And we'll go ahead and look at it in a second. Let me just fold these nicely away. All right, so here is the MacBook Pro, which looks new except the places touched. So the right side here, 2 USB-C ports, the headphone jack. Here's the back. You also get these on the touch bar version, so you get these cutouts here. There's the exhaust fans. As well, you get 2 more USB-C ports. And the Apple logo doesn't light up. You also have a cutout here to actually lift it. So let's see if we even get the paper cover when we open it up. And also, the newer MacBooks, once you open it, they actually automatically start. So let's see. So there's still the paper. That's pretty good. I wonder if it might be dead because it's pretty cold outside. And yep, that's what I thought. But yeah, it's been shipping for about, I'd say, a week. But let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, so I just plugged this in already. let's go ahead and plug it into one of the ports. You can plug it in this side or the other side. Again, the advantage of having this one. All right. And if we've done everything correctly, it should turn on. Looking at the keyboard, you guys, feels pretty much, I cannot tell the difference, I'll be honest. Yeah, looks very good. Not even a scratch on the screen, which could be pretty hard to tell, but let's go ahead and press the power button. And the Apple logo comes up. So let me just get a better camera position. Before I do that, we're gonna wait until the touch bar lights up so we can see what it looks like at the setup or during the setup. All right, so as you guys can see, we have the volume up. That doesn't let me to do much actually, I guess, because
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Return key. Yeah, doesn't let me do much. Maybe brightness. Nope, doesn't do anything yet. So we do have to set it up. And we also have this beautiful trackpad, as you guys can see. And I'm not even kidding, I cannot tell a difference between this and a brand new one. So let's go ahead and set this up. All right, so this is probably not the best camera angle, but we're gonna use this to set it up. It's gonna select the main language here. Country. Gonna go for the, okay, after that we're not gonna transfer any files from a older one. Gonna click continue, enable locations and services, and then sign in with the Apple ID later on. So we're gonna go ahead and click somewhere here. Don't sign in maybe. And then move on, and I'll sign in later on. Agree to their terms and conditions. All right, it's gonna ask me to name the computer, which obviously we cannot go forward without doing so. So I'm gonna get some information in and then we'll move on. So I went ahead and put those information. After that, we get the analytics report, which I'm going to just deselect pretty much. And then we're gonna go continue, enable Siri on the Mac, of course. And now it's gonna tell me to, I'm assuming, put my Touch ID on. So I don't know if I have to tap on it right now. Yeah, so it's just like the iPhone. And then, I mean, used to be like the iPhone until the 10 came out. But there we go. So Touch ID is ready, very easy to set it up. And we're obviously gonna try out the Touch ID whenever the computer's ready to use. So there is this one. Let's go ahead and adjust the brightness using the touch bar. So, and as you guys can see, it is working. That's pretty good. You can also do it like this if you like. So more like tapping as if it was a button. And other than that, you can also do the volume. So you can mute it like so by just tapping on this. Or you can just click on this and adjust the volume like so. Or just do it like that, which is I think the best way to do it. So you have the escape key, which is kind of a virtual key. It's not a real key. So certain places that I believe this disappears. Let's go in Safari real quick and then see what happens. So as you can see, once we went to Safari, it went ahead and changed the entire touch bar. So if I want to search a website, I can just simply tap on this and it automatically knows what to do there. Let's say we want to go for the Apple's website. As you guys can see, you can have your presets over here. So we could just type on the Apple and it's going to take me to the Apple's website. And then let's say, actually, we're going to go ahead and open up a new tab. I can just simply do the same thing again. Let's say you want to go into Google, just tap on that. And it's now taking me to Google. And now I have actually my task, the browser tabs open over here. I can just go in between those. So other than that, you also get a back button. So I'm assuming if you were to click on example watch here. If we go here, it's gonna take us back, which is very, very nice and awesome. So let's try the Touch ID, you guys. So Command Q, let's exit that out. And now we're just gonna go ahead and lock it and try the Touch ID. So actually you guys don't want to log out, because when you log out, it requires a password to actually enable it. So what we wanna do is just kind of close the lid. Change some settings here. So we're gonna change that to require password immediately. All right, so now if I close this and open it, it should require a password, which could be my Touch ID. So here it is. It says here, unlock with Touch ID. Just gonna put my finger and we are in. So just show you that again, close it in, turn on the Mac, and then just do that. And yeah, so this was actually a gift to my mom, so obviously it has her name and stuff in there instead of mine. So well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're new. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.